Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can generate stickers on Instagram in your iPhone. Well, it's very easy. So all you have to do is first of all open your Instagram, make sure that you're logged into your account, and then simply tap on your DM icon. Then all of your DMs will be open. Now you have to select a particular chat. Just like this, I have selected a particular chat. Now then tap on the sticker icon right here. After doing that, here you can see the option of cutouts. Tap on it. Now then you'll have to select a photo or video of the sticker you want to create. For example, I want this particular photo's sticker, so I'm going to tap on this photo. Now in here you can see it has automatically selected which sticker to cut out, but if you want to select it manually, tap on select manually. Now then you'll have to tap on the areas you want it as stickers. So for example, I want from the top to button, so I'm going to tap on this cat's face just like this, and I am satisfied with this selection, so I'm going to tap on a save sticker. And just like this, here you can see I have now successfully created stickers on my Instagram on my iPhone. So within few seconds, here you can see sticker has successfully been sent. Now I'm going to simply tap on the sticker in order to send it to this particular person, just like this. And here you can see my sticker has successfully been sent. Just like this, you can open any chat in order to use this sticker. All you have to do is simply tap on the sticker icon right here and then simply tap on this sticker in order to send. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.